Bring it here. Clover, bring it here. Bring it here. Soft. Drop it. There's a big fat Eurasian dove there. Close up shot. There's another big fat Eurasian dove. Bring it here, Copper. Bring it here. Copper, drop it, drop it, drop it. Two Eurasian doves. Come here, Clover. Oh, oh. That's 3 for 3. Get it. Okay, leave him. Bring here, Clover. Bring here. That's 3 Eurasian doves. No morning doves yet. Put you up. I don't know if I hit that. Wow. Get it, Copper. Good boy, Copper. Bring here. Or Gracie. Good girl. I guess I did get that second one. Come on, Gracie. Copper, bring here. Copper. Bring here, Gracie. Gracie, bring here. Good boy, Copper. I got them both. Good boy, Copper. Good boy. Bring here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I just barely ticked him. Good boy, Copper. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Copper. I did get him. Whoa, Gracie. Bring here, Gracie. Gracie, bring here. Copper, leave it. Copper, leave it. Okay, so I only missed one shot out of that. So I got the Eurasian dove and the morning dove. Just ticked them both. Not very good shooting, but it means I've only missed one shot. That was weird. That's why you have to have good dogs. Well, feathers came out of that second one. Watch where he goes. Oh, he's going down right there. Oh, right there. So that's 2 more double up on the fence line there. We'll go get him in a little bit. Come here, guys. Bring here. Oh, watch him, guys. Right here, guys. Watch him, guys. Watch him, guys. Get him, Copper. Get him, Clover. Get him, Clover. Oh, but they didn't get that first bird. Fetch him up, guys. Dead. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Good girl, Clover. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Another big fat Eurasian. Drop it. Clover, drop it. Good girl. Okay, that's 1 out of those 3. Dead bird, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Fetch it up. So there's 4 birds on this. Come here, copper, soft copper. Soft copper. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, copper. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold it. I got it. Dead bird. Dead bird. 4 birds on here. That's 2 retrieves. About to get our 3rd retrieve. So we're going to be missing that. Dead bird. Dead. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Good boy. Good girl, Gracie. Bring her. Gracie, bring her. So you're Asian. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, bring her. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Another Eurasian. Whoa. Oh, man. Nope. I don't think they're going down. Oh, it did go down. Son of a gun. It did go down. I see it. Back. Oh, here it is. Come on, guys. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fetch it up. Almost hit me in the head. Oop. Oop. Good boy, Copper. Bring here. Copper, bring here. Gracie, good girl. Gracie. Bring here, Gracie. Bring here, Gracie. Bring here, good girl. Come here. Bring here. Good girl. Good girl. Bring here. Put it in my hand. There's a Eurasian. Whoa, whoa. Golly. Fetch him up. Boy, frisky birds. He went crazy after I knocked the feathers out. Look at all the feathers falling right there. Good girl, Clover. Bring here, Clover. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. We'll get ready, guys. Watch that one. Get him, guys. Oh. Get him, Clover. Back. Back, guys. Back. Back, Clover, back. Clover, back. Good boy, Copper. Good boy. Whoa. Good boy, Copper. Good boy. Bring him here, Copper. Bring him here. Bring him here, Copper. Bring him here. Good boy, Copper. Bring him here. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. Copper, bring him to me. Drop it. Leave it. I got him. I got him. Good boy, Copper. Leave it. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Did you? Catch him up, Clover. That was a Eurasian dove. Good girl, Clover. Bring him here, Clover. Good girl, Clover. Bring here. Good girl. Drop it. Clover, bring here. Drop it. Good girl. Fetch him up. Good girl, Clover. Fetch it up. Bring it here. Bring it here, Clover. That's another Eurasian. Fetch him up. Bring her here, Clover. Bring her here. Good girl. There's a morning dove. Whoa. Fetch him up, Copper. Well, that's a long shot. Soft, guys. Fetch him up. Bring him here, girls. Come on, girls. Bring him here. Gracie, pick him up and bring him here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Thanks, Clover. Come on, Gracie. Bring it here, Gracie. Bring it here. Drop him. He's got to meet your bird. So hold it, Clover. Gracie, hold it. Whoa. Well, that's all it shows. So I got to go hound Jim. Good girl, Clover. Bring here, Clover. Bring here. Good girl, Clover. Bring here. Good girl. Bring here. Good girl. Morning, dove. Fetch it up, Copper. Bring it here, Copper. Good boy. Come here, Gracie. Come here, Copper. Bring it here, Copper. Copper, bring it here. Soft, buddy. Come on, Copper. Copper, bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Copper, pick it up and bring it here. Bring it here, Copper. Come on. Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here. Leave it. Leave it. Whoa. Whoa. There's one high flying scooter's butt. But he's dying. Whew. Good girl, Clover. Bring it here. Bring it here, Clover. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Good morning, dove. I get the feeling the action's kind of over. What do you think? Yeah. Yep, I just... Oh, coming down, right down the fence. Right down the fence. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Drop your phone, just shoot, shoot. Oh, nice shooting. Whoa. Good girl, Gracie. Fetch it up, Gracie. Dead bird, fetch it up. Dead bird, fetch it up. Dead. Oh, copper, dead bird. Fetch it up. Good girl, Gracie, fetch it up. Good girl, bring it here, Gracie. Bring it here. That was good. That was good footage on there. There's more birds coming around. Ooh, good shot on there.